Hi, it's Bits with the NostrDev course, and you're going to be in a great mood all day because you're going to be zapping your troubles away by learning Nostr. Now watch this. We got a blank page, one slap, you got a JSON object. Two slaps, content, in a second. And we add a signature. Beautiful. Now, you love Twitter, you hate the feed. Watch. No feed. It's gone. Is that guy on Facebook? What are you working on? That project's boring. Stop having a boring project. Stop having a boring life. We're going to make the next social media. 5 seconds. 4 or 5 seconds, it's done. You're going to have an exciting life now. You're going to love my nips. And if you don't love my nips are just numbers. You can make your own. You see this nip? Now it's my nip. You can make your own. Come on, we'll show you. You know what they're charging for verification these days? $8. Watch this. I made my own blue check mark. Plus, we got badges. You can make one for nothing. Stop throwing your money away. Onions. I'm tearing up here. You know the Onion Network? Super slow. It's making you cry. It's making me cry. Life's hard enough as it is. But check this out. Global feed. Everyone sees your app now. You don't need Tor. Guys, we're going to make social media great again, one zap at a time.
I don't even have internet, and I'm still gonna make the next big AI app. Nostr's the best.
Hey man, I've been on that Nostr for like 2 months, man. Hey, you got any more of them zaps?
Get your NostrDev course by visiting pleblab.com/NostrDevs. Save $20 when you pay with Bitcoin. Sign up in the next 15 minutes and you'll get the exact same thing as everyone else. Order now.